Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching the final part of the video, multiline tabs. So if you see here, there are more number of tab pages here, page 3, page 4, page 2 and page 1 are not shown here. That means we scrolled it, and there are some more tab pages also which will be here in this invisible portion of the area, and there will be some portion here. And here if you see, this is the scroll control. By default this scroll control will be presented to scroll through the tabs. So using the multiline property, you can arrange these tabs in multiline. So if you see here, in our example, we have a checkbox. Once you place a check mark here, the tabs will be arranged in multiline. So what we already implemented these order tabs. So when we are experimenting, we can start adding the n number of tabs. Then we can turn on this multiline tab and see how the tabs get stacked in multiline. So here if you see, chk tab multi, that's the control name here, this control name, and when checked changed, that's the event we are handling. So when it is true, we are setting the multiline property of our tab control. So this is the tab control 1 dot multiline equal to true. So that's all here. This is a simple Boolean property. Once you set it to true, the tabs will be arranged in multiline. Now let's go to the demo, and if you want to see how the tabs are arranged here, so once you turn on multiline, you can see these tabs are arranged in multiline. Here in this picture you are seeing page 3 and page 4, and the scroll bar is presented. And if you see page 1 and page 2, that's here in the left side. Then here you are saying test tab 4, which is here, and test tab 5 is not fully visible, partly visible. Once you click this scroll button, you can see that fully. Alright, now let's go to the demo and quickly implement. So here is our application. Let me click multiline tab, and I'm choosing properties, events, checked changed, that's what we are interested in, and double clicking it. Then here I just kept the command. So here we just implemented the piece of code which was explained in the PowerPoint slide. Let me run this, and we will add some random tab. Eight, maybe scroll bar will come, not yet. And you can see a scroll bar here, 10, 11, and we will add empty also. Okay, now if you see, I can scroll through these tabs. There are 2 empty tabs, and if I choose multiline tab, you can see the tabs are arranged in multiline, and if I keep it left, you can see still the tabs are placed in multiline. Here we see 5 lines of tab. All right, that's all here in this video. We are ending this sub series. Thank you for watching. Bye.